Hey! Glad that you could make it! Welcome to the Control PDF with Python and PyPDF2 course. My name is Conny Söderholm and I will guide you throughout this whole course. I hold a master's degree in mechanical engineering and I am also a certified European engineer. You will learn how to join pages, split PDF pages, how to insert metadata, links, bookmarks, how to merge multiple PDF files into one, and after the course, you will be the go-to person at the office or whenever when PDF file manipulation is needed. We will start with covering the basics of the PyPDF2 library, what classes are there and so on. Then we will move into reading our PDFs. After that we will start page manipulation, how to scale, rotate and so on. Then we will dive into writing data. After that we will create some practical applications so you can see how you can use PyPDF2 in the real life. And as a bonus we dive into useful Python scripts that you can use when you are working with PyPDF2. This course is for the student who meets two criteria. The first one is to have some basic Python skills. The second one is that you need some kind of PDF problem. For example, you need to create a blank page in each of several hundred PDF files, or maybe you need to split all PDF pages into separate PDF files. Whatever it is, this course is for you. Feel free to take a look at the course description and a preview of the course. And I look forward to seeing you inside.